We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you'll appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock having an explosive move to the upside, and it was not the only stock going higher. The overall market did as well, and our SPY bot at 11:55 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. This is our new resource that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So Bbig stock here having a consolidation and trying to fight to get itself back up, and we're going to talk about some key levels in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the stock I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the opportunity I mentioned this morning turned out to give realistic expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them nearly reached 20%, and that was DTST. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling upwards under a bull indicator and continuation, and it had a consolidation, and up towards the bell it jumped up nearly 18% plus, pulled back down, and jumped up again for another highest point of 15% plus, guys, within minutes. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock forming a consolidation, as I stated earlier in the video, and trying to push up higher. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize on opportunities to the upside or to the downside by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts with 42 vision. So Bbig stock has been pretty volatile the last several days. It's gone from bull to bear, from bear to bull, and now this bear indicator has officially been canceled out by this bull indicator here on the 30 minutes. So I'm going to be watching going into tomorrow, even though the stock is pulling back right now, and this may continue into the aftermarket hours. But if no bear indicator pops up to cancel this out, this may hold true, as I stated, into tomorrow's trading day. But let's go ahead and look at the larger time frames, and then we're going to talk about here what's going on the 30 minute, because this was a perfect dip area, getting that bull indicator and a full transition from white with red borders all the way to bright green, and now it's transitioned back down, and now in the middle of it all it's consolidating and fighting, but quickly shifting right back down. So as long as this bull indicator holds true and no bear indicator pops up, this may be real strength. But if it gets canceled out again, we need to watch the supports, we need to watch the charts and see what's going on also on the larger time frames, and if things are really pulling up, or is this just a dead cat bounce or momentum move that is going to be short-lived. So let's go over to the 4 hour here, and you could see that things are trying to turn around, right? Even though it's under a bear indicator since way back over here, right, it is still trying to bring itself back up. At $3 is where that bear indicator popped up. I've talked about the significance of that bear indicator getting canceled out and getting above $3, right? So right now it's shifted from dark green with red borders to green with green borders, and it's trying to push up higher. We need a bull indicator in the process though to pop up, and it needs to break above the resistance levels that it previously touched and rejected. So we're still under a bear indicator here on the 4-hour, but trying to transition back up. On the 1 day, things are consolidating, shifting from red bar to dark green and another dark green, but still under that bear indicator. This needs to get canceled out in the process of trying to come back up. So it's going to take a lot more strength and momentum than today's simple move, but within the 30-minute, it has been pretty volatile, and you could see the shifts pretty clearly when those bull and bear indicators have popped up in the last several weeks. And it's all been pure opportunities when it hits the dip area to the rip area, and then same thing as it did previously and as it did today, right? And if you pull up the 15-minute, which I always state, this does not just show you the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and the 1 day. That's what I use to share on the charts and in the videos, but this works 1 minute, 5 minute, whether you're a swing trader, day trader, or long-term trader. And there you can see the full shift right there, and you can see how things quickly shifted back up when this was dipping, and it found an area here of strength, got that bull indicator as confirmation, and it took off from way down here at the 250s all the way up to the 280s, nearly a 10 to 15% plus move in one single day. So a lot of trading opportunities in between in the volatility. So when we look at this here, the first thing is our support down here at the 230s, and today's lowest point was 247. So if that gets broken through, I would watch between 247 and 232, 233, give or take, and see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, and if the bears keep on pushing it down. To the upside, we want to break above that high that recently got touched at the 293 mark, and then back up towards $3 and try to push up above that and hold it as support so that the bulls can actually have some strength here. Now, we are under a bull indicator, so this will want to still hold true all throughout the volatility if it pulls back and then jumps back up, and no bear indicator popping up here. That would cancel out this whole entire move, and that can mean that the bears in the bigger picture here within this volatility are trying to put pressure back down. So those are the things I'm watching, and not just here on the 30-minute, but also on the 15-minute and the 5-minute, right? It just popped up here. This is a lot more volatile than the other time frames, and this is something that can get canceled out pretty quickly by a bull indicator. But specifically, I'm going to be watching here the 15-minute. This is pulling back really fast, but no bear indicator. And same thing here on the 30-minute. If it does not transition into red bars or no bear indicator pops up, that could signify within the volatility there is some strength here, and it could try to bring itself back up and hold this true in the process after it canceled out this bear indicator. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some